is Vas and welcome again to my channel. Today in this video I want to talk about GoPro accessories. So I'm gonna show you all my best accessories I'm using for my GoPro 12, and if that's something you're interested, just feel free to watch this video till the end. Also feel free to subscribe my channel, thumbs up as well. Any questions, ask in the comments. So let's have a look at all accessories I have for the GoPro 12. Cool, so that's the GoPro 12 itself. It's quite good camera. I'm quite happy with this camera. One thing which disappoints me, it's just overheating too much. Apart from that, everything is cool. So that's the camera itself, and now we're gonna look for accessories I'm using for this GoPro, and also which I'm recommending to you as well. So we're gonna start with media mode as well. If you do vlogs and you're looking like for very small camera and just want to do some vlogs, you don't want to invest in a bigger camera and a big lens, you're on a budget, I would probably say media mode and a GoPro 12 should be an ideal for you. But just to let you know, with media mode and GoPro 12, it does overheat quite fast, and also you'll be able to record around 10 minutes vlogs. So you need to make sure you have additional batteries for this GoPro 12. So I'm gonna put this one on here. So that's a media mode I'm using sometimes. Sometimes I do make videos with my GoPro 12 in my little studio. Now, my second accessory, which I really love and I really recommend, it's this little tripod. It's quite it's quite solid. It's quite nice. It also extends, let's say, maybe half a meter, and you also can use like a little tripod. As I said, it's a little tripod, so it does have a button here. Once you press, you got them legs which extends, and you usually can on the table and just do some vlogs, shoot some time lapses, or do some, anything with this little GoPro. So this is my second accessory which I really love using with my GoPro 12, and I really recommend if you're looking for something like this, choose to do time lapses or to shoot anything using a little tripod. So this will be my second accessory which I do recommend. So I'm gonna put this on the side here, and we're gonna move to the next one. Next one is another little tripod which comes with GoPro 12. I'll be honest, I haven't used this one. To be honest, I haven't used it at all. So if it's coming with GoPro 12 in the box, it's just handy to have it. But personally, I haven't used it. So I'm gonna leave it on the side and move to the next one. The next one, it's this little plastic case for the GoPro 12. I'm using this one with my GoPro 12. If you're using the media mode, it won't fit. So this one is good to use if you, let's say, if you shoot some time lapses, you do some FPV shots, and you want to protect your little camera. So this will be my another accessory which I do recommend to buy to protect your little camera from scratches and any damages. So I'm gonna leave this one on the side here. Okay? Now we're gonna move to the next one. Next one will be my battery charger hub. So I've purchased this one on Amazon. I can't remember how much it cost, but I'm really happy with this one. So I usually put two batteries here and I'm charging them. It doesn't charge two batteries at the same time, so it charges one battery and then moves to another battery. It's quite handy because I keep all my batteries in one spot, and they're quite safe as well. So this will be another accessory which I do recommend to buy if you have a GoPro 12. So I'm gonna put this one on the side here and move to the next one. This will be kind of attachment to my camera bag. I've tried it only once. So basically what you do, you just attach your camera to the camera bag, and basically you can record videos while you're walking, while you do some hiking, which is pretty good to have in your camera bag. So this is my accessory I'm using and I have in my camera bag. Now moving to the next one will be this clamp. So this clamp is pretty good again if you want to shoot some time lapses and you want to clamp your GoPro to a fence or to anything which requires a clamp and you won't be able to use your little tripod. So this one is a good little attachment, quite expensive, but it's worth it to spend money if you're looking for something something additional accessory in your camera bag, which requires you to clamp your little GoPro to shoot anything you want to shoot. So we're gonna leave this on the side. Now we're gonna move two little bits and bobs. It's always good to have spare screws. So I have a few of them. The reason is because sometimes when I'm using the media mode with my GoPro, I need to use the longer ones because the short ones, they won't fit. So this one came with GoPro 12 in a box. It's quite short, so it won't fit with my media mode, so I'm using the longer ones. Now we're going to move to the next little bits bobs. So them ones, as you know, it's like sticky attachment. You can attach to the helmet. You can attach to your car if you want to shoot anything using GoPro. I just want to attach to a helmet or maybe inside your car to dashboard. So these are little bits bobs which I don't really use a lot. And again, I got a spare one, again spare screw. The little one, I think I've purchased one mainly for my Insta360, but that's different scenario. So I'm gonna leave it on the side again. Do not forget about a USB Type-C, which is really important to charge your GoPro 12. It's really important to have it in your camera bag because you never know when you might need it. So I'm gonna leave this one on the side again here. And again, this little attachment came with GoPro. So this goes on here. So you can attach them together and just, record what you want to shoot. So we're gonna leave this on the side. And the last little bits and bobs is you need an SD card adapter. It's really important. Do not forget about that, because if you want to transfer your files from the GoPro 12, it's much more convenient to use the SD card instead of USB Type-C. That's what I'm using personally, but it's down to you. So we're gonna put this one on here. Move to the last little things is attachment which sometimes I'm using on my windshield screen on my car. So I just connect to my windshield screen, attach my camera, and just shoot some time lapses when I'm driving like very long journeys, which is pretty cool. So we're gonna put this one here. And the last one, head strap. I'll be honest, I've never used this one. Kind of thinking for what kind of shooting I may need it, but I haven't used it just because I don't want to look weird with this on my head with the GoPro 12. But it's another additional accessory which came with GoPro 12 box, and I'm quite happy to have it. So that's pretty much all the accessories I am using with my GoPro 12. I kind of highly recommend at least half of them, which you may find them useful, especially little tripod and the battery hub for your batteries of GoPro 12. And that's pretty much what I wanted to talk about in this video. If you really enjoyed this video, if you found it useful, just subscribe to my channel, thumbs up as well. Any comments, any questions, ask in the comments below. I'll be really happy to reply to you back. Until then, I'm going to see you in the next video. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.